In this video, we are going to see how we can create a brand new Steem account. So first of all, just go to your favorite browser, whatever it is. I'll use Microsoft Edge. Just open this up and let's go to Google. I'll just write here Steem. Just click on this first website, which is the official website of Steem. Just say it's welcome to Steem. And even though you don't have the ID and you are using the Steem for the first time, still you click on login to create a new ID and click on create a new account. And now we have this credentials that we need to create the account. Let's mention the details. I'll say I'm a human and I'm 13 years or more old. Click on continue. And it will send an email for the confirmation and for the account setup. So let's verify this email address. You will receive an email from Steem. Just click on verify my email address. And once it says email verified, just come straight into this area where you are creating your account. And it says look like the email ID is already associated with another Steem account. You can use an existing or recover if you've forgotten that. So just I'll click on use an existing account, but in your case, you can just continue after the verification. Click on use existing. And once you have successfully mentioned your credentials and password, you can just simply click on login and here is the main screen. After that, just click on this top right corner, click on view my profile, and you should be able to see your main profile like that. So this is how you can create a new account on Steem. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.